In December 2019, the modification of the Technical Building Code was approved in order to improve the energy efficiency of buildings. This will force the buildings to have high energy efficiency. To comply with these regulations, a new product is born, DRYMAX, the definitive solution for moisture. It is a breathable fabric for waterproofing facades, roofs, kitchens, bathrooms, showers, stairs, access ramps, swimming pools and terraces. It is applicable to areas with humidity, both indoors and outdoors. Its power of perspiration and absorption prevents all types of condensation. DRYMAX is a thermal and acoustic insulation that contributes to energy savings. It is environmentally friendly and biosustainable, supported by its Oikotex certificate, the world's leading ecological label for textile products. Its minimum thickness allows an easy installation on any surface. It is a patented and exclusive product worldwide, high quality and long durability over time. It is completely innovative and revolutionary for all types of construction projects. It is biosustainable and ecological, very easy installation. Its distribution is immediate within versatile delivery times with an export to more than 80 countries. How to use? It is a product very easy to install. First, we must prepare the affected area. The surface must have a residual humidity of less than 3%, compact without fissures and completely set. We must remove any dirt that may affect the adhesion of the material. Also, we have to remove any element that may tear, puncture or damage the waterproof fabric. Installation. Apply a thin layer of C2TE high-performance glue cement with a toothed trowel. Mix the adhesive and apply a thin layer of adhesive with the smooth part of the trowel. Apply a second coat and comb with the trowel. Distribute the adhesive grooves evenly and eliminate elements that may interfere with the application of the sheet. Apply the sheet on the adhesive until a uniform contact is achieved, avoiding the formation of air bubbles. Apply a mono-component elastic putty to seal. Suggested materials for installation. Tests performed by ITEX. DRYMAX, the definitive solution for moisture.